to Child's Minds. In this video, I will show you how to assemble a cycle and how to put a disc brake at the rear tire. To put disc brake at the rear tire, we will need a disc machine, a disc, and a set of wires. We will need some tools like spanners, different types of screwdrivers, and gas. To fit the disc brake at the tire, we will need to remove the tire from the bicycle, and we will do that by using a wrench. First we will remove the bunkers, then the stands, and then the screws. Unscrew the brakes. We have a disc and a tire. Now we will install the disc on the tire and insert the tire in the cycle. Now we will reinstall the tire with the disc on the cycle. Fit the stand and tighten this thoroughly. Tighten the bunkers. So now we have successfully attached the disc. Now we need to attach this disc machine right over here. So we don't have a provision to attach this here. So we will need to make one, and that will take time. Thanks for watching.